Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this outfit from Barbie as the Island Princess. I think that's what it's called. I do watch this, but it just makes me mad whenever the elephant is annoying. So I don't really like this movie the most because of that. But I mean, I love the fit. So let's get started with the video. We do need VIP for this, unfortunately, if you want to use the cape. Other than that, the rest you don't need VIP for it, as you can see on the left side right here. Also, this only works in free play because we need to make this a little bit bigger and stay like on the back. So let's get started with the video. For the hair, I just use this one in no bangs in this color here, F6B768. I just use this color for all of my like Barbie inspired fit. I also chose these as well, this hair, that's what I meant. And then I also did this hair right here. And then I used the bangs from the street hair, this one, only bangs. And again, colored that the same. And I did make it a little bit bigger, but I did scale it, like positioned it like down here, I guess. Okay. For the fit, let me see if I remember everything, because I just did this. Select this, and then select Queen of Flowers, turn off silver top. You can add party clothes to it. I just want to add that. I'm just going to select this color, 4E8490. For the second one, we're going to use this kind of like purplish color. And then for the third one, we're going to use this pink color, FFB4D2. For the other skirt, we're going to use this in first this color, the same color in glitter. And then here, we're going to then use the pink in glitter. And then the rest, we're going to color that the same as the rest of the outfit. Then we're going to need this top here. Oop, that is the bow, not the top, sorry. Turn off lace, bow, and undershirt. Color the first color the same in glitter. The second one, I think I chose, yes, this purple here. The third color, I chose the pink one. And then last one, just choose like a lighter pink for the inside of the gem. You can choose this one as well. Maybe make it a little bit darker so you can see the gem. And then for the sleeves, I used the one here. I did this one in only sleeves, colored that the same in glitter for both colors here, like that. And then for the back, oh my gosh, I have to go back, I forgot. I used this headpiece, sorry, in this color. And then the second one, I think I did I do green or blue? Let me see the reference again. Okay, I'm gonna do green for this part. Maybe like select this color, and then I did this blue, I think. And then lastly, I did the blue again. Then I just scaled it all the way up, and I like put it really down here and then backwards a little bit, like that. Don't worry about this. We're going to fix that later in the changing room area. Then I selected this in cape only. And then I colored the first, what color did I do this in? Oh my god, I completely forgot. Okay, I think I did pink maybe. And then I did blue in glitter. So the same thing here. I don't remember what color I did that in. Maybe let's do yellow, because there is some yellow in there, and I did do green. I think I didn't do this perfectly. And let's just add glitter, because why not? There's a lot of glitter in that, so I'm going to try adding glitter as much as I can. I don't know what color I use. I'll just use blue, not gonna lie. So there's some more blue there. Did I do purple? Actually, let's do purple. You know what? Let's just do this. Then let's just go back here and save it. Here, I'll just save it as dress and then wear it again. Okay, so I used blue and pink. So this is what color I used. save the outfit you had on, and then you're going to save it again. I also used this actually. I forgot to mention that. The first color I used is 4D8FD4 in glitter. Second color I used CC174 glitter as well. Third color 3B5D76 in glitter. Fourth color the same as the first one, and the fifth I did kind of like similar color. And then once you've saved your let me fix the gems here first. Hold on. I did change that and I did forget to save it. Let's just do blue on the inside. I think that looks cute. And then here I'll do that color again. Okay. Once you've saved it in your dressing room, so I did save it as dress, select it again. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to select the item here again that you've already scaled up. Then you're just going to select the scale and drag it all the way to the right. And then it's going to be bigger than it is. Then I'm just going to kind of, I guess, adjust it again here. I don't know why it's not going as down as it was just now, but maybe I should have placed it down a little bit. Let me just save it first. Hold on. Like, wear it again. And then just readjust it. Oh, why didn't I scale it up all the way up here? Hold on. Oh, now I have too much. Well, I'll just do that. Honestly, I don't know what happened, but you're just going to save it, wear it again, and then here you can then adjust it again here to scale it up. I don't know why you can't go down anymore, but yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.